It's unbelievable how we're at the end of a crazy year already, but here is to getting into festive spirit. Hey everyone, my name is Sushma. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of videos on decor, DIY, my eco-friendly lifestyle and food once in a while. So if you're somebody who likes this kind of content, please do not forget to subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And without any further delays, let's jump on in and let's get rolling to see what I have in store for you in this video. This is actually the Norfolk pine that I got from Home Depot, and this really looks pretty, and you can use this throughout the year for decor around your house. So I actually went ahead and decorated some Amazon boxes that I had. I covered it with burlap and put on a plaid ribbon to match the theme of my decor. So reusing Amazon boxes here. So the next one is a wooden plank that I actually bought off of a construction site, which my husband actually did, and I painted this white just in the front because I know nobody else would see it, and I then went ahead and nailed these letters that I bought from Michael's, I think, and these are nailed right here. So the nail is the support, and you can always use a double-sided tape to stick them as well, and that's going to be my corner piece. There's a nail right up here, and I'm going to hang my wreath that I had just right there. This is an IKEA box, organizing box that I use in my kitchen to organize my to-go bottles and coffee mugs and all of that. So I'm using this to gain some height in this decor. So to make this box look a little more pretty and nice, I'm going to use my plaid ribbon that I already have and kind of border this. On top of these goes some pine cones, and I'm going to fill it up and arrange it to my liking and pack it really, and then add some existing candles that I own. These are LED and timed, so it makes it really easy. And then adding in a lantern and decorating that as well. They say Christmas is incomplete without the wreath, so I made my own because my theme was burlap, and getting a burlap wreath outside is super expensive. So I made my own here. I actually used 2 rolls of burlap ribbons and created my own wreath with a bow. And this is how my simple, easy DIY front porch looks like. Now onto my entryway table. I've kept it all white this time and used existing pieces except for this little truck right here that my son wanted. Otherwise I've tried to use mostly natural elements and used white as my main scheme of color. And this is how it looks like. Continuing my plaid theme onto my tablescape as well, and this runner is from Hobby Lobby. And I bought these paper mats from a World Market for all those who are interested. This candle holder is actually from Home Goods. They have amazing stuff, but it's just that it kind of tests your patience to find the right stuff. Decor has always been therapeutic for me, so what you see here sometimes takes a day or two or sometimes even a week to set up, and then I take my time to film it and show it to you guys. I tried something really different this time where I used a candle holder, which is what you see right now, and I used this to actually hold the spoon and fork, and I thought it looked really different and added that perfect pop of color on the white. And in the corner goes my white themed traditional Christmas tree that completes the decor. I hope this video gave you some kind of inspiration to reuse things around your house to decorate this festive season. And even if you're going to buy new ones, I suggest going the eco-friendly or sustainable route so that it's better for the planet Earth in the future. Thank you all so much for stopping by. As always, like this video if you enjoyed watching it, share it with your family and friends, and if you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe. With that said, wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a wonderful New Year wishes well in advance. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed, and do not forget to stay safe. Bye-bye. It's so cold out here for me, and I'm actually like, my nose is running and my hands are almost freezing. Small video. Alright, thank you. Come on, careful. You're not wearing a jacket, so I use... And that's how it goes.